Getting the front of your wig to lie down flat. I know how difficult it is for normal women that are not a hairstylist. As a hairstylist, I have women coming to me all the time telling me my wig is too big, it's too high, it's bulging. What will I do? I've decided to put this tutorial together to show them, to show you that you don't need to be a hairstylist to do this. I'm going to put you through what I do to make it flat and what you can do as well. First, you have to get like a canvas head. You can buy it on Amazon. I'll be putting the link down for you. Just pin it in. When you pin it, it makes it secure. And this little stand, there's a stand I'm putting it on. Put it so that you can be in control of your wig. First, I'm going to get some of my mousse. Any mousse, it doesn't really matter. Just get a light old mousse. I'm just going to rub it on top. If we are just meeting for the first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Chris Bex, a bridal hairstylist in the United Kingdom. This is our website, just in case you want to book us for your wedding or for your special event. You can just have a look. Yeah, I'm just using a hot comb to just comb it down. You don't really need to use this. If you don't have a hot comb, don't worry. I'll show you another method of doing it. But if you have this, don't make it too hot because we don't want to burn the closure. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone that you know that would definitely need this. If you don't have the hot comb, you can use one of these. It's just a tongue, but just be careful. That's why we need to put it on a canvas. You can't be doing this on your head, so put it on a canvas or you put it on a wig stand. Now, when you finish, you tie it. I'm just going to show you one thing. A lot of people tie it like this, which it is wrong. You can tie it like this for maybe like 10 or 15 minutes. But if you want to tie it overnight, you can see that place. By the time you take it's too tight. By the time you take it out, it's going to put a mark on the hair, which is not going to be nice. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it at home and how I normally do it. So this is how I normally do it because I always wear a lot of bob wig. Just put the scarf. Don't put it on top, okay? Put it under like that. If you put it under, you will not have the mark. You will not have the dent. You see the back. So there's not going to be a mark. And it's going to even make the side just flat. When I finish, I get my blow dryer. That's what I do. I just blow dry the top. But I'll be showing you another way because when I went on holiday, what I did was this. I didn't take my blow dryer along. I just put a book on top. This book will just weigh it down. That's what I normally do. I didn't even have a canvas head when I went on holiday. I just have like a can of milk. I put a wig on top and I took a book and I put it after doing all the spray. It just keep it down for me. And that's what you have to do. You just leave it. In the morning, you take it out, you are all ready. If you have watched this video up to now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe because I'm going to be doing this next. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye for now.